Sometimes you need to fall into the unknown to learn how to float. This is an ab workout. Is it gonna fit?
We'll find out.
Oh, awesome. I've been calling this space my studio for the past 4 years. It's literally just my living room with a random curtain hanging in the middle. Well, there's actually a backstory to this. It was 2019. I was living in a tiny studio apartment, dreaming of making videos. I knew to make it happen, I needed 3 things. 1, a place to film. 2, a camera to film. And 3, something to say. I knew what I wanted to say. I've always loved fashion, but I didn't agree with the wastefulness that comes with it. So instead of buying new clothes for my fashion videos, I would just reuse the pieces I already had in my closet. Problem solved. Next, I needed to figure out how to film myself. I had no prior knowledge on how to use a camera. I remember reaching out to a videographer and telling him my ideas. He said sure, and that would be $900 a day. So I took a portion of that $900 and bought myself a camera. I'm sure I can figure this out. Moving on. Then I needed to find a place to film. Since my studio apartment was tiny, I didn't have enough space for a proper setup. But where there's a will, there's a way. I figured I could just hang a curtain, and voila, an instant backdrop. I had to get rid of my dining table for this, but it was worth it. When I moved into this apartment, I finally had space for both a backdrop curtain and a dining table. It was the best day of my life. But even though I now have much more space, there are still limitations. Ideally, I'd use this entire living room as my filming studio. And I did, for a while. I didn't even have a couch for the longest time. After multiple complaints from people saying there was nowhere to sit at my place, I finally caved and bought a couch last year. Wow, beautiful, thank you. Jessie finally has a place to sit.
Months of begging.
Now I have a couch, a coffee table, and a couple of extra chairs. This place has gone from looking like a mental hospital to a therapist's office. Some sage for you. Anyways, all this is to say, my living room has to serve 2 purposes: a social space and a workspace. I started with a simple curtain. It worked. I've made hundreds of outfit videos here. But my creative needs have changed, and the time has come for a real studio space. I honestly have no idea what I'm doing. Wish me luck. Oh my God.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
To build the studio, step 1 is of course to order everything. I'm gonna need a free roller wall mount backdrop support system, some aluminum pipes for extra stability, and 3 rolls of 86 inches seamless paper backdrops. I was able to order a black and a white one online, but I couldn't find the right size in green.
Hello?
Let's go shopping. Got my green screen. I think I've got everything. For the next part, I had to hire a professional because it involves drilling into the ceiling and cutting aluminum pipes. If I were to attempt it myself, I just know it's gonna be a disaster waiting to happen. So I'll just stick to filming. It's done. It's finally done. Well, hello. Welcome to my new setup. My backdrops are now neatly mounted on the ceiling. I can easily pull them up when I'm not using them, and I still have plenty of room for social activities. Let's try out some shoots. And I've got Jessie here to help me today.
Hello.